Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Liberty Mutual Secure Fix step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Liberty Mutual's official website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you prefer to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. When ready, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you encounter an issue, such as forgetting your password, click on the Follow the prompts to reset your password. After successfully logging in, you can access your account features and information. If you face further difficulties, consider contacting Liberty Mutual's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.